found that these Chandrayaan2, the ISRO's greatest mission, has been in the titles of newspapers for all the good reasons, of course. So it seems that there is an amount of sodium present in the surface of Moon, and this comes to be more like a surprise to us because Moon, in comparison to the Earth, has less amounts of volatile elements. So this could help us to establish how these formations of Earth and Moon in comparison has been formed. So at first, let's get a quick review of what Chandrayaan2 is all about. So Chandrayaan2 is an integrated 3-in-1 spacecraft of around 3,877 kg, comprising of an orbit of the Moon, and it's equipped with all scientific instruments to study the Moon. And more importantly, the orbiter will orbit from 100 kilometers away, while the lander and rover modulates will separate and make a soft landing on the surface. So the lander is named after Vikram from the Vikram Sarabhai, of course, and the rover is named after Pragyan or wisdom. Vikram will mostly remain stationary after touching down and will study more about the Moon's atmosphere. It will also look into the seismic activity as well. And rover, on the other hand, would detach itself and roll around all the surface of the Moon, collecting evidences, finding observations and collecting all forms of data. It will also study the composition of the surface near the lunar landing site and determine the abundance of various elements. And Chandrayaan2 is also equipped with one more aspect, that is orbiter, and while the lander and the rover can only work for 14 days, orbiter works throughout a year. And you must have seen all these movies where these satellites go around or rover around a specific planet, over here the Moon. So the orbiter goes around the Moon, collect information on the basis of photographs and videos being captured. So this also helps us to assess all information related to it, and that came into the conclusion that sodium is present throughout the surface of the Moon. Yes, the presence of sodium on Moon was assessed with the help of X-ray fluorescence spectra, but we should not forget that all these were accumulated by all the sectors which helped us to collect all necessary information to get to this particular point. And this was also the first time that X-ray fluorescence spectra was used to assess the amount of sodium on the lunar surface. This X-ray fluorescence is judicially used non-destructively research the compositions of materials. When sun emits solar rays, it naturally exposes Moon also to the high amounts of solar radiations, and this what creates X-ray fluorescence. So in short, this is one more feather on the cap of the ISRO, finding the traces of sodium on the surface of Moon. Yes, how and why the sodium appeared on the parts of Moon is yet unknown to us, and we have to find a lot about it and lot more to come. But till then, thank you so much for watching, and if you love such videos, don't forget to click on the like button, subscribe and share the videos. Thank you all, bye-bye.